time I felt like कि the whole world, मतलब सब कुछ रुक गया है. I've just started business, कैसे manage होगा? Machines यहाँ पे हैं, लोग यहाँ पे हैं, बैंगलोर जाके मतलब, and obviously मैं किसी को blame भी नहीं कर सकती थी क्योंकि मैंने खुद, my mother will be more than happy, अच्छा मत करो शादी, दिल्ली में करवा दूँगी, you know, and that is my decision. But so on one hand it's a personal thing, it's a personal win, and on the other hand it's a professional loss. What am I doing? So the reason why I shared it with you, that it was such a fantastic idea that I went to Bangalore because I opened up another office there and then got a lot more. So sometimes when it looks like कि इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ है, there is actually an opportunity there. वो बैंगलोर में ऑफिस कभी नहीं खुल सकता था, तो अभी बड़े शान से बोलती हूँ कि 3 जगह में ऑफिस है, बॉम्बे में भी है, बैंगलोर में भी है, दिल्ली में भी है, but it would have never happened had I not gone to Bangalore. So what it looks like, so sometimes I'm not taking your mother's side, but why would you not try in Chandigarh? And believe you me, with so many, ISB is opening in, opened already? It's already there. Chandigarh, so many people. The best of the IT companies are here. Delhi's no great shakes. Much better here.
It's a very comfortable life over here.
Yeah, very. Don't think about it.
Yes.
On your journey as business leaders, business entrepreneurs, I'm sure you must have come across instances where male insubordination is there. What kind of strategies do you adopt there? And I would like to share your instances where there was gross male insubordination from your employees. Like, how did you handle that?
We had
Do
very
you have
few
a
males.
sentence on it?
We had very few males in our company. In 13 years, we've had about 4 or 5 of them, and I didn't take anybody out, but probably they just were a little less fit. So I think I never had that, but I never had male. I never had that problem. Never. It probably lucky. But I don't think male are that bad. Seriously, it's really easy to. If you're a woman entrepreneur, I think I got my meetings very easily. They were happy to speak to me. Advantages are too much. We have a lot of army customers. They speak to you so nicely. They offer you, you know, they will talk to you in parties. So I think there are more advantages. I'm sorry for being little. I don't know. I'm speaking purely from a personal perspective, but I don't think
You're right. Guys are more pragmatic.
Yeah.
I'm sure you must have come across some tough nuts to crack.
Customers definitely.
Outside your work,
Yes.
Guys are happier with having business of women and women are having.
We'd like you to share your experiences on it.
I work with the newspapers, so we have both male reporters as well as ladies. I think I've been lucky in that sense that our paper treats everybody at par, and it's at the end of the day, it's about your story, it's about your work. There's no gender attached to it. If you have a good story, usually the fight is for page 1. If you get your story on page 1, that's like you've achieved a lot. So if there is somebody else who's a male whose story has been hacked and is sent inside, it's not because he's who he is, or I am somebody who speaks nicely to the boss or something like that. It's because my story was better at the end of the day. In terms of the field, yes, there are times when men don't take you very seriously, or they might think what you're doing is no big deal. But there are now a lot of women who are into crime reporting. That's one domain which was earlier for men. Now a lot of my colleagues are doing crime reporting, and it's not because they want to prove a point, but it's just about that they can do it as much as anybody else. But I tell somebody who's like somebody like you who wants to go to Delhi, and you have to play safe. Even if you're a woman or a man, everybody has to be safe. I was allowed to work in Delhi and stay on my own by my father only after he had met the landlord, he had seen my room, he had checked out the distance from he's a Fauji, so the distance from how long will it take for me by cab to my office, all of that was done. But that's better than not having him involved.
Yes.
Shagulman?
We deal with a lot of labor people, like I said, and most of them are men. But what's been difficult is, like I said, establishing that relationship. But you always got to be firm, not be rude, but be firm. And also, what we've kept in mind is you've got to respect their opinion as well. Just because he's somebody who's not of the same background, or somebody who's come from a different culture altogether doesn't mean that he doesn't hold the right to have an opinion as such. So you always respect that, and that gradually leads to that relationship being established where they kind of listen to you and you listen to them as well. So that's been but it hasn't been that big a hassle. So yeah.
I think we wrap up.
Yes, I think.
Thank you, Amika.
Yes, thank you very much, and I think it has been very inspiring for all of us. Has been. Thank you. Yes.
Oh, it was really nice. Thank you. Thank you.
I think we should. Oh, me too. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. We can take the floor or exchange of words and ideas. Also, tea and coffee session.
Sort of an obvious thing that I was doing, and I wanted to explore my creative side of that. So then we thought, like, let's explore something out. And we made up a house. हमारा काम हमारा शादी वाला